what is the date today? It is Wednesday, May 25. There's my assistant. Say hi, Megan. Hello. She's coming with us because we are going to I am going to do Lasik today.
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the left.
Moosa from in LA. So I have my support team. Jamie's also here. They're just filming. So yes, today is my Lasik. I did my consultation last week, so it's been a week since then. He was able to do it same day, but I just didn't really want to do it same day. So here we are a week later, going in to actually do the Lasik. So after today, I will have really great vision. So I'm going to share with you guys the whole process and how easy, how quick, and just do before and after.
Awesome. So I have your consent form for the procedure. Lots of initialing the first and the second page. Okay. Let us know if you have any questions and just bring it back when you're done, please.
Hi.
Of course, yes. How are you doing? My name is Moran. How are you doing, guys? I'm going to get some scans of your eyes if you don't mind following, please. Okay, so we're going to start right here first. We're going to take you right here.
Alright.
Breath, please. Make sure the forehead touch on the bar right here. Just a little bit this way right here. You're going to be looking at red flashing lights. I'm bringing up for you right now. Alright, here we go. Blink a couple times, please. There we go. Blink a couple times. Open.
So, are you excited?
Very.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So, a couple things. I'm going to examine your eyes again, and we're just going to confirm some of these numbers. And then we're all set with that, and we'll be all ready to go to the next stage.
Yay.
Which will be the next exciting part where you get to get the value, if you like, to just kind of help with calming you down a little bit, which is not truly necessary, but it's up to you if you want. Can you read that for me again?
FZBDV.
Beautiful. How about that?
DF.
When you wake up in the morning, perhaps you rub your eyes.
Yeah.
And sometimes while you're sleeping, you get hit by the pillow, the blankets, and you do that.
Yeah.
This is protected. Now we're going to put the tip on top right here. To put the drops, just lift them up, put your drops, and put them back. If you don't feel comfortable with that way, just take them up, put your drops, and then put them back. Put your hands up, please. Okay, this is artificial tears. Close your eyes, please. And open. Close your eyes, please. This is antibiotics. Close your eyes, please. Close your eyes. Now the numbing drops, it might burn a little bit, but this is not gonna, yeah, you're not gonna feel anything after that. I'm gonna put some more inside, okay? Close your eyes, please. Close them.
Beautiful. Perfect position. It only takes about 11 seconds and we count down for you. Thank you. You are doing great. In 3 seconds will be done. 1 more second. Awesome. Beautiful. did great. You can come right this way. You can see an improvement in your vision already, yes?
Yes.
Yes, you did great.
What do you guys think?
He has a very fast procedure. He was great. You did great.
Thank you. I could smell, I guess, the laser part of it. It was so fast. Just smelled like a little, like, kind of burning or something. But,
Well, and I feel like it helps when you don't know what's happening.
I know.
You're just going through it and you're just like, I have no idea.
It almost was like he used like a soft little brush to brush my eye.
I thought overall is a very cool procedure.
Were
But
you guys able to be in the room? I don't even
yeah, we were in the room.
Oh.
Seeing what he was doing to your eyes, oh my God.
I guess it's different because when like he does all this stuff, it's just he's doing it and I'm just like sitting there, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel
He's very good. He was gentle. He had good bedside manner. He was.
yeah, he was so calming.
So how do you feel after the procedure?
Relieved and
That's good.
like I just can't wait to open my eyes. They told me to close it, right? I think so. Cause yeah, I think they told me to close it because that's what they like want me to do all day today anyway. Because it's
Right.
like healing.
He did say when you got up, your vision was already better. Did you feel that way?
I could see the sign, like whatever sign it was, like exit sign or something. But it gets progressively better throughout the day.
You're gonna be so happy you can see.
Go and open your eyes for me. Look up at the ceiling. Hold on a quick second. Let's take a look. So your eyes heal very quickly. Okay?
That's good.
Close your eyes for me. So you should be functional and able to do whatever you generally will do the next day without any contact sports. So there are very minor limitations as far as that goes. But you'll get to enjoy your new vision.
This is the new. Oh, fantastic.
We're excited to see you come visit us at our office at Excel Laser Vision Institute. We have locations in Los Angeles and Orange County. One of the great experiences you can have is our free comprehensive eye exam that's of no cost to you, but a consultation for LASIK that will establish your candidacy. We look forward to seeing you in the near future.